Today we're looking at wallet cases that are MagSafe compatible and have the option of using the wallet as a stand. I've got 3 options that might work for you, and we'll be comparing their functionality, cost, and aesthetics to help you make the best choice. Jamie here with InTouch Consulting. Let's jump in. First up, we have the Spigen wallet. It can hold 2 cards or 2 credit cards and a license, although this was pretty tight. It is a flap that opens straight up, and it can be used as a stand for 2 different viewing angles. I like the way the material feels. It has a nice slot on the back so you can push cards up through it. It's fairly thin but a little heavier than the others on this list, and it does appear to be made of good quality materials. It is a nice aesthetically pleasing case that has a masculine vibe to it. I like the way you can use it as a stand. You can see using my scientific shake test here that they're in. I should say this about all of the wallets. None of them actually held that well if you picked them up like that. I have an iPhone 13 Pro. It's pretty heavy, so the only one that didn't pop off was the PopSocket. So all these cases I'm showing you can hold 2 cards and a license, but again, they're a little tight. They tell you more about the one that kind of is the best for that at the end. We also have the Moft. I'm sure you've probably seen their ads on different social media sites, etc. I'd heard a lot about it, and I really like things that have multiple functionality. So this is the Oxford Blue, which really looks nice. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels, and it looks really nice with the Apple Blue case, silicone case that I have. The other Moft that you see here is the Carbon Fiber Blue. I do not dig this look, and I don't really like the branding on the back. The magnets on both of these are the same, and they hold about as well as the Spigen that we tested earlier. You can see again from my scientific shake test here that it does not hold very well, and while you shouldn't be shaking it like this, I have seen people pick it up and when the phone's laying face down and the phone actually drop. So just be careful. This is a very expensive phone that you're using these things with, and when you pick it up, just pick it up with the phone instead of picking it up by one of these wallets. So I like that there's 8 different colors of the Moft, and you can get some other options on Amazon. Here again are the 2 positions that you can use this in, but I actually found a third one, which is to flip that upside down. Let me show you that. Flipping the wallet upside down and having it over my lens, this is the perfect thing for sitting at the desk, and I do a lot of calculations and things like that, so the angle is perfect, the lens never touches. So next up is the PopSocket, and this wallet has the most grip of all in terms of magnets. I was actually doing this demo on a magnetic table and had them laying face down, and when I went to take these off, the PopSocket lifted the entire table. Yeah, you can see it right there. What I did not like about the PopSocket is I cannot use it in portrait orientation. I am a big proponent of a stand, so I'm not going to be using the PopSocket, but I am going to be giving it as a lot of Christmas gifts because it's great. It holds. I don't have to worry about it falling off. It's got a great grip. You can pretty much leave it on all the time if you are not someone that wants that functionality, and that's why I put it in this list, because you can watch it in landscape orientation. Another reason it makes a great gift is it comes in various different colors, therefore it matches different personalities, and I know it'll be a hit with my aunt who is older, but also my niece and nephew who are young, so check it out. Like that you can take any of these off and put them back on very easily, but I think the best one is one that you can leave on all the time and use it as part of its functionality. I would feel most secure using the PopSocket MagSafe Wallet, as the magnets did not come off. Great options, and you can't really go wrong. And the prices for the wallets are similar, with the Spigen and the PopSocket coming in at around $39.99, and the Moft again ranging from somewhere between $27 and $37, depending on the material that you choose. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for the next one. Let me know below what your favorite wallet is, and if you want to check any of these out, I have links below. Thanks for watching.